Even being the most cautious and careful driver, you cannot control events outside of your vehicle. That's why, like many other road users, you may experience dangerous and erratic drivers and remain helpless. But now, there is something you can do about it. With an in-car camera or dash cam, you can get another set of two eyes to keep a video record of what occurred and when during your journey to identify dangerous drivers and avoid paying for their irresponsible actions. Well, several companies are offering dash cams. Are you confused about which one to choose? If yes, then trust Rove R2 4K dash cam. Today's most advanced and powerful 4K video car dash camera with new advanced features that can keep ahead of its competitors. The Rove R2 4K dash cam can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p, whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology with a new advanced Sony Starvis sensor helps to get unmatched clear footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. Moreover, you can have an undistorted video experience now with its new distortion correction algorithm feature. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download the recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route in the tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving locations and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary Rove R2 4K dashcam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry. Auto-triggered parking mode makes the dashcam go into parking mode automatically when your car engine shuts off. 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G sensors, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-motion video, and ensures an extended storage capacity by supporting up to 512 gigabytes Class 10 U3 speed microSD card, which is the highest in the industry. Before choosing any dashcam, temperature guidelines are an essential factor that matters the most. Rove R2 4K is designed and tested to function and withstand extreme higher heat and cold temperatures geographically. It can work in extreme cold of negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit to extreme hot 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Moreover, the Rove R2 4K comes with a beautifully written professional user manual, which is easy to understand and detail-oriented for any dashcam enthusiasts. It is easy to use and easy to install. Here one of our reviewers said, "I am 91 years old and I love it. Easy to install and operate. If he can do it, then anyone can do it." At Rove, we provide how-to videos that will help you set up your dashcam in less than 3 minutes and explain all the features and details for under 30 minutes. On top of these, if you have any questions or concerns, we have a customer care team that is personalized and ready to help answer any questions or concerns or solve any issues that you may need help with. Purchasing the Rove R2 4K comes with an all-in-one package. You will get an advanced 4K video card dash camera that has a meticulously designed hardware and a custom-designed beautiful firmware. We provide free firmware upgrades, free iOS and Android app updates, free GPS player for PC and Mac, and free lifetime customer support that is backed by a 1-year hassle-free warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee in case you have any doubts. All of these are from your local Chicagoland, Illinois company that you can trust. Rove R2 4K has so many advanced state-of-the-art features and technology packed in a single unit, where R2 4K is all you need that won't break your bank. So please, choose today's powerful, compact, beautiful software, user-friendly, and most reliable 4K dash camera, and secure your drive to a safer future with Rove.
Introducing the Zillion Shiatsu Pillow Massager. The Shiatsu Massager has 2 different settings for ultimate relaxation: massage and heat and just massage. Hold down the button for 3 seconds to turn it off. The massager is easy to use. Just ensure that the connections are tight. You should hear a click, then just plug it into a home outlet or a car socket. The Shiatsu Massager has an ultra-slim ergonomic design which contours perfectly around lower and upper back, neck, abdomen, calf, and thigh areas. The massage motors are also very powerful to ensure a deep massage. Now sit back, relax, and let the Zillion Shiatsu Pillow Massager relieve all your aches, knots, and muscle tension.